Stop scrolling for a second and look around your room. Does it feel like you, or does it feel like a page from a Big Boss furniture catalog? We are living in an era of a fast decor where everything is plastic, mass produced, and let's be honest, a little soulless. But what if your home could feel like a warm hug? What if these pieces on your shelves actually had a heartbeat? Today I am showing you how crochet is moving out of craft bin and into the world of high-end interior design. Whether you are looking to transform your own space or you are an entrepreneur ready to stock your Etsy or Shopify store with pieces that actually sell. These are the home decor trends that are redefining fiber art in 2026. First up, let's talk about the sculptural minimalism. Forget the neon yarn of the past to sell on platforms like Etsy right now. You need to think about texture over color. These aren't just cushions, they are tactile experience. Use bamboo cotton piping or gold roving to create that 3D effect that looks incredibly in product photography. Swap the macrame for crochet. Large-scale framed crochet tapestry using organic shapes are a massive hit for Shopify boutique right now because they offer a soft modern vibe that's hard to find in store. When listing these, use keywords like organic, modern, and Japandi style. People are searching for calm, and your stitches provide exactly that. The best-selling items online are the ones that solve problems while looking beautiful. We call that functional art. Take the stiff crochet lampshade by using a simple cotton cord and a sugar, water, or fabric stiffeners treatment. You create those gorgeous boho pendants where the light hits the stitches. It's casts incredible shadow across the room. That's a hero product for any online shopper. Perfect for fruit in the kitchen or plastic in the nurseries. These are high-ticket items if you are selling on Shopify. A set of 3 nested floor cushions can easily be your bestseller. They are durable, washable, and scream luxury handmade. On the flip side, we have dopamine decor. This is for the Gen Z and millennial buyers who want their homes to pop. We are seeing a huge surge in everlasting flowers. Imagine a bouquet that never dies. Crochet lilies, sunflowers,